Batangas VTS, Batangas VTS. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. I hear you loud and clear. This is BTS Batangas. Change to channel 16. Over.
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Channel change to channel 16. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. BTS Batangas. What is your call sign?
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My call sign is 3FED3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your estimated time of arrival? Over.
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My ETA is 080 our local time at October 30, 2023. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your draft?
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My draft is 12.3 meter. We have 3-4 person on board. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your gross tonnage?
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. My gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What type of cargo you carry on board?
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. I have carrying iron ore cargo 12304 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Do you carry any dangerous goods?
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, we have carry hazardous goods of 2.3 liters of IMDG Class 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Verde Island on channel 16. Over.
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. We will call you when we pass Verde Island, channel 16. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. Standby channel 16. Over.
VTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. We will stand by on channel 16. Over.